Ever wondered how SEO can boost your marketing? SEO, or search engine optimization, is a vital tool in digital marketing. It's a way to increase your business visibility, helping you stand out in the crowded online marketplace. SEO is not just about search engines, but good SEO practices improve the user experience and usability of a website. So how exactly can you leverage SEO for your marketing needs? Start by choosing the right keywords. These are the terms your audience is searching for. Next, create quality content around these keywords. Remember, content is king in the world of SEO. Make sure your site is optimized for mobile, as more and more people browse the web on their phones. And don't forget about user experience. A site that's easy to navigate will keep visitors coming back. Remember, SEO is an ongoing process. It takes time, effort, and patience, but the results are worth it. Ready to boost your marketing with SEO? Authority Solutions can help you put these tips into action. Experience the benefits of professional SEO services and see your business thrive. Don't let your business stay hidden. Unleash its potential with SEO. Subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications for more tips and guidance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up.